Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Today's topic I will show you one of additional module in AutoCount, that is filter by account. What is filter by account? This module allows you to set control on your account so that they can only be viewed by certain user only. How you can set this setting? Go to General Maintenance, User Maintenance, and highlight the user ID. Click on Edit button. Click on Filter by Account Number. Click on Maintain Account Number. Check the checkbox of account number which are not allowed to be viewed or accessed by this user ID. With this control, when user login this user ID, she will not able to view the account number that excluded to her. For example, in this case, I have exclude expenses salary account number for that user ID Lily. Click on Save. When I log in to the user ID Lily, I'm not able to select the expenses salary account number that is already excluded to her. Also in reporting, I'm not able to see the salary account number. That's all for today, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share our YouTube channel and visit our website to get more information. Thank you for watching.